Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to use a simple Google form or a Google questionnaire or how to create a survey within few minutes of your time. So for that, you have to log into your Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. You have to click on this icon and click on Google Drive. As soon as Google Drive opens, just right click here and you will see an option called More. Click on More, click on Google Forms. Just click on Google Forms, it will do. So this is the standard template of a Google form and I can start creating my survey. So suppose we are a company and we are looking for basic details from the job applicants. And we are hiring for a position called marketing intern. So you can customize the survey based on the type of survey that you are trying to build. I'll just take this example of job applicants. So here the name of the survey will be job applicants, and then position description can be position is for marketing intern. Here, I want to ask, what is your name? So I am going to I am an HR or I am a company representative, and I'm going to share this survey to all the job applicants. So I'll ask their name. So this is the question field. In the answer, how do you want the answer to be? I want the answer to be in short answer type. You can choose the other options also. I'll show you in the subsequent questions. So what is your name? I'll leave it at short answer type. I can make this question as a mandatory question by just clicking on this, or I can choose it to be an optional question. So the survey, whoever is taking the survey can just skip this question. What's your name? Then what is your gender? So see, Google has already given me some options. I can just click on it. Female, male, prefer not to say others. So this can be a multiple choice question, or you can choose to put it in a drop down. Maybe let's put it in a drop down. Then click on this plus icon to add the next question. The next question is, what is your highest degree? Educational qualification: graduate, postgraduate. Since there are only two fields that I want to ask for, I can just put it as a multiple choice questions. So next is, I'll ask them to upload your resume or biodata. Here I'll choose the option file upload because I want the user or I want the person to upload his or her resume. So I'll click on continue. So my file upload will be added. So here I can customize the size of the file and other details. I'm not going into that at present. Click on the next question. I want to ask, what is your rate your social media marketing skills? So this is basically a rating question. So I can choose linear scale. So this linear scale is very helpful when you're trying to take any feedback, like rate your company on a scale of 1 to 5 or rate your company on a scale of 1 to 10. So you can choose from where, I'm choosing a 5-point scale. You can choose the scale that is applicable to the question that you are asking. So here maybe I can just help the user by saying that 1 means excellent marketing skills and 5 is like I have very basic skills. So you see, the basic questionnaire is ready. So let us now change the color theme to match your brand or company's color, logo, etc. So I can just click on customize theme. Suppose I want to make it green, and then I can choose the shade of the color. So it is I can choose other colors as well. Similarly, I can see the survey or the preview of the survey by just clicking on this eye icon. Here, see, this is how my survey looks like. So how to send this survey? you have to just click on send. Click on send. You can choose to collect email addresses or you may not. So you can just check on it if you want to collect email addresses. Click on this icon. You will get the link. So I have clicked on shorten URL to get a short URL. So this URL, I can paste it anywhere I want to, WhatsApp, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or on emails to the prospective job applicants so that they can fill this survey.